East Village Spa's do-it-yourself foot massage kit includes a foot soak, a ball to roll your heels, and Knipe calendula and orange repair balm. Start with a foot soak in warm water for 5 to 10 minutes with about 1/3 to 1/2 of a packet of the soothing juniper bath salts. This is going to help warm and soften your muscles. The calendula in the foot balm is going to be great for dry, rough heels, and the orange oil is uplifting. This is a great consistency for foot massage. In this video, we're going to show you some techniques that feel great to the recipient, even if that's just yourself, and we're going to show you a few good reflexology points to hold and some techniques that you can use if it's too uncomfortable to use your thumbs giving a massage. Things like using your fists to get more pressure and cover a broader area. So as you're getting the feet warmed up with the foot balm, don't forget about the toes. One thing that feels really good is some gentle toe stretching. So you can take and move the toes in opposite directions and gently rotate them. You'll be surprised how good this feels. Plus, it is not really hard on the giver's hands. So don't forget about the toes. You can stretch back and forth. While you're up at the toes, you can compress all of the sinus points for reflexology, which are the pads of each of your toes. You can just pinch and hold for a couple of seconds. The spinal points are my favorite reflexology points. Starting at the inside of your foot, work from the heel all the way up to the toe. You're going to use in and out pressure to stimulate all of these points of the spine. When you look at the inside of your foot, it kind of follows the shape of your spine. At the heel, it starts with your tailbone and it works all the way up to the cervical vertebrae, which are going to be on the medial or inside point of your big toe. After you've traced this area a couple of times with alternating pressure, you can do some really great twists back and forth. Think kind of like that snake bite you did when you were a kid, right at the arch, and it feels wonderful. So again, this is really gentle. Check with your partner to make sure it's not painful, and this is a great one to do to yourself. Another really great reflexology point for stress and anxiety is the adrenal point. Jamie is demonstrating this point with her thumb right now. It's usually pretty tender, so don't start with a lot of pressure. You can hold this for, maybe about a minute and use an in and out pressure, some static and some moving. Jamie's also demonstrating her favorite headache point to hold. That would be at the top of the foot, right between your big toe and your second toe. This is a great point to work for jaw pain, and people who've been wearing masks or clenching their jaw from tension really experience some pain right now. You'll use in and out pressure on the side of the great toe and kind of walk your thumb like an inchworm around the bottom of the great toe. To get more pressure in your massage, it might help to have your partner turn face down so you can use your body weight and gravity to help you press into the feet. Use your fist and not your thumbs to get the most pressure this way. It's ideal to put a pillow underneath the ankles just so there's not too much strain on them while you're pushing. Don't forget the heel, and you can use the heel of your hands to apply good pressure when your partner's face down to massage the sides of their heel. You can also grab at the Achilles tendon and do a rotating motion, kind of like we did at the arch of the foot, and this really stretches out the Achilles tendon. So this is good for people with tight calves or with heel pain. During a foot massage, it always feels really great to massage the tissue and kind of spread the tissue on the bottom of the feet from the middle of the foot to the outside of the foot. This can really help people who are dealing with pain from things like plantar fasciitis or standing on their feet for long periods. Thank you so much for tuning into our video. We know that when your feet feel good, everything feels good. For more information, visit shopeastvillagespa.com or visit us at East Village Spa.